Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see few interesting riddles. So let us go into the video and see one by one. Which animal can digest a steel nail? So in this picture, you can see a steel nail. It's very well clearly shown. So just think of any animal which can digest this. So if you guess the correct answer, just have a cross check with whatever I'm going to say now. And the correct answer is crocodile. So most of us will be knowing of crocodile, and we might have seen these crocodiles in zoos and crocodile parks. So what it does is crocodiles will be having highly acidic and strong digestive juices, so that it can dissolve the steel nail and other hard materials quite easily. So in case if any other animals by mistakenly eaten means, then that's it. But whereas in case of crocodile, it's just like that, it will digest and make it out. So let us go to the next riddle. Which mountain changes its color every day? Just have a think or thought of imagine how can a mountain changes its color, that too every day. Have you ever had any experience of seen it before? If not means, and if you get a chance of seeing this mountain means, then it will be a wonderful experience for you. I think so. For this question, few, I mean, most of you won't have guessed the correct answer, and the correct answer is AS rock. So this is the rock which can changes its color every day. Actually, the AS rock is also known as Al Ura rock. Okay, it's actually located in southwestern corner of Australia, Northern Territory. So these rocks are available and can be easily seen in northern part of Australia. So if you get a chance of going to Australia means, and don't try to don't forget to see this one. So let us go to the next riddle. How many hairs are there in human head? So just think of yourself whether you are a boy or girl. So how many hair it will be on your head? Just have you ever counted of it? So it's not possible thing for us to count each and every hair. So if you think of it, it's common. Okay, so whatever answer which I'm going to give will be a common one. Actually, it will be around 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh hairs in everyone's head. So don't just get messed up with me, like some of you won't be having hair and some of you might also be bald also. Sorry, bald. So those people won't be having any hair. But I'm commonly saying if you're boy or girl means normally they will be having this much of hair, and that too there is many category. If you are belonging to blondes, so blondes means those who have a yellow shade, okay, yellow fade like hair, they will be having around 1.5 lakh hairs. And an average, if you have a red head, so those people will be having 90,000. And those with black and brown hair means they will be having an average of 1 lakh 10,000 to 1 lakh hair in their hair, in their heads. So it's common and general answer. So if anyone asks you whether how many hairs will be in your hair means, you can close your eyes and tell it will be around 1 to 1.5 lakh. Okay, so just think of it, but practically it's not possible to count each and everything. So next thing is which animal have blue blood? So normally we humans or even animals will be having the color of the blood will be red, right? So we will be having hemoglobin. So the color will be in red color. But think of any animal which will be having a blue blood. Most of us during our school days we might have came across these things. I think so most of you might have guessed the correct answer, and the answer is octopus. So octopus is the correct answer. So we might have read these things during our school days in our science textbook. So what does it does means, so it will be having a blue blood. In order to survey in deep ocean, octopus normally evolved from a copper rather than iron based blood. So since they are having copper, they will be having blue blood, and we will be having hemoglobin, right? So our blood, if you they ask me, they'll be telling hemoglobin. they will be having a hemocyanin. So it's called as hemocyanin. So blue blood. So it is called as hemocyanin. So this makes it to turn the blood into blue color. So if you cut the octopus, means normally we won't cut it off, but when if someone has cut or if it get hurt, means the color of the blood will be blue. If someone asks, if you know any animal having blue blood, means you can close your eyes and tell it's octopus. So let us go to the next riddle. Think of an animal which can give milk as well as egg. So have you thought of it? So usually mammals will be giving milk, and few animals will be giving egg. So we can't see both things coming from a same animal. It's very rare. So for this also, most of you won't have identified it, but few I mean the 10% of people can be able to answer it. So let us see the answer. The answer is platypus. So this is the mammal, I mean semi-aquatic egg-laying mammal. So this is called as platypus. It's actually a egg-laying mammal which is usually found in Australia, and they will be fond of, that is they will be, what to say, it's a semi-aquatic animal, and it will be laying egg as well as it will be giving milk. And these things and all we might have studied during our school days. Some of you might have forgotten it, or some won't have came across it also. So in case if anyone is asking egg and milk giving animal, means the thing which should come to your mind is this animal, semi aquatic egg laying mammal, which is called as platypus. So in this video we might have seen few riddles. Okay, so in case we want to get to know more interesting facts, or if you want to know any particular topic to be I mean uploaded in our channel, means you can type in the comment section, and we will be grateful to fulfill all your needs. So whichever current burning problems, if you want to know any mysterious stories or any biography about a particular person, means you can type in the comment section, and we will do the needful. So please do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivator, and don't forget to press the bell icon, then only you will be receiving all the videos which we upload. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.